Ebusuanfo aha Ghana 7 TVGH. Mesrem, mon like, comment, subscribe. Turn your notification also, so that anytime we post a video, bit say where Musambe Kabia Mamashe. Ebusuanfo MPP for yanti asem de. Yanti asem de crack. Reports are every so far yet to be confirmed sources actually say. Papa Frederick Blay. Papa Frederick Blay. John Mama His Excellency. Any security apparatchiks are the goodwill and the pleasure of the president. Now, the reason why they have gone to catch Frederick Blay, as at now, to Ghana and Sam, we are still verifying the fact, and somewhat unclear. And the MPC, you be insinuating BPR. But when we get more information, our same way, ye the bebremo. That notwithstanding, MPP for bebre on Buefu. Now, they are right to be angry. They are right to be angry. They say, Ebrana MPP, our power no. MPP had the right and the chance, to also punish NDC for some of the things they had done when they had power, especially double salary for it, ambulance for it, and all the rest. But somehow, President Akufo Addo decided say, I will forgive you. Okay, I will forgive you. How do you call it? Those people who double salaries, no. And then also, I work court, I mean, most of them, they are slow, so and for samba. Abe, filing only prosecute. And yet, we did not do well in that vein. Now, NDC for ya huo mumobo. NDC for huo mumobo. No sorry, my learned colleague, my learned friend, my learned colleague, my learned friend. He say, "Omuna mu chichi munyinai." A disgrace munyinai. Ade. MPP. I hear a lot of mistakes. And because we forgave some people, number one, and because some people, we delayed the prosecution of some people. Today, Ghanaians are of the view, say, Yenbo MPP4, NA corrupt. Because NDC4 ba no mu chichi. Well, nobody knows tomorrow in here. So Efano too hard on ourselves. And yes, sir. Let's go and see what MPP4 and Ghana for Bebre Kafa the arrest of Honorable Frederick Blay and the forgiveness. Akufo Addo forgive you. Nkrofo na mu edi double salary and the others. But before then, Ebusuanfo, your studio na appeal na ekoso. Ye pa mu chow. Mumbuaye. Total cost near 25,000 Ghana cedis. Would you call dollars my $2,300 US? So far, you raised by $90. Scar buy a hono. Donations near $90. Would you call cedis more 1,000 Ghana cedis? Ye pa mu chow mumbuaye. Why? Kitwa bien so. Now, but no screen as here, you can take it and send whatever you can afford. Now let's listen to this conversation.
Inkochi omu gumunso angomo ni beda ho ki ye hu ne ye show mu no nti sometimes no ne be si bia na yo se na na ado anchi omu hu se si ano mu suban na nkasa na ye te se nyinsen na nkasa pio ama ye hu ye mu binum de ni mu NDC fo bo ma na mu ni mu NDC fo no ekoye o meka se na political witch hunting nti hu se na na ado ja omu no ye hu omu true colors se leader kan ye oka say with time na yebehu NDC for mo true colors na party mo colors black wo mu de what do you expect ade tuntum so de ade papa enya ade papa na me say eda ben ni bebo mu okuro mu ha na ohun ekuro we mu beye de me say di 40 years kra na MPP beba power on senya internet never forget no Sami Jenfi obeye mobo okuro mu ha say obeye mobo onu so de osua nti obeche o prison papa obebo nkokora akokora na obebo prison honum on se kromo obsese obi ayedin sani omayedin omanyedin sa na mahama ne na busuafo ne NDC fo mo milk Ghana sa na akua me bisa o PMNC office na do no mo use no what happened to that office but just our office na ayedin
Sami Jenfi is too classy to occupy the PMMC office to here Bank of Ghana for former office.
Okay.
And so renovate and san wakotin. Yeah.
Okay, nti eno me pacho na government offices ye no aduane wo ho ana se because okwa adwuma se okwa adwuma na okwa se okwa eku carton office wo because how can you use such an amount cabinet keke aye the plate besim ana ho ne yekọ na ne gold no mu wia no ho ne yekọ na ne na eku ya mesrew chiremu. Okay.
Yeah, more cabinet no more hono be na ni gold ne wo. Enti na go cabinet ne board inside.
Oh, say sad dia na yeti ase because e bia won be hianya 1 or 2 bi say cabinet ne boy din say be heat na gold ne be ebe fam no e betimi e hold no. Me say ekuro mu ha be de papa. MPP for ye num nsu atwen ope. Na nurse fu kwen amasi den efo na na obo ye kwen no ye fa yi nkoma no ne ho sefata ye hwe na taade ye hye na o sefata so obekoye gold board for cabinet amomo na se ye ne num se no be ye bia ma ye nso ye mfa mre no ye se ye nyina ebekọ China na yakọ agoto because ye hu se kwen for no ma adwen ne kwen na wom ye tontorwa nyansa bi enim edi asem na NDC for me say ekuya onim so obi oye kronfo bia no ohun kronfo a ohun no senya na nkofo wo position na MPP for wi Ghana for se na omo pe kwan abewia bi o eni bre omo se MPP for ye DC kan ti omo pentem aba bewia bi na omo ba ya omo de omo nsa omo na in fact omo ni pedi omo be manyina omo de bewia sika ni bi o omo be ma na ehye nika mu no omo hu sika na omo yetu abonten eno so fa sika ni nyibi yeti ham yesi ye close wound to me radio station adan ya ne we ni wiye no o renew no meet de ben date ene de stand ogbe de ne de yeti me the contract mano still otimi gina na na emu renew edge contracts hey me say yes nyankopon ho o ma NDC for ba ye o sheda o pese ye hu o mu yiye ni ye hu se MPP for de ye enim sika de ye nim se ne ye di sika ye ba ni ye se ye dwen Ghana for won se Ghana for na nkasa na ye ba ye se ye dwen o man kasa o mo ye boni ayefo o mo ye boni ayefo na mahama gina stage dada mo me mama no even single day fitting doom so time na me hu se papa we angasa no hey woman 100 years se ombu o my own timi nye twen oba ye dia na waye nkukọ buompo mo bi ye motorway extension ya ne ada kwan ankrofo ya omo ya ye feel se NDC for na ye nanado nsano adwuma o nanado nsano adwuma ese motorway ni kwa se adwuma na ba form because MC sika nasa sika no so no mahama di tu kwan MC oba unso okọ opposition no ntu kwan yo because country bi amfre no nti oba ye na ho pepre me kai so ka che nanado se nanado ntina se no onye adwuma na nanado pa kwantu ododo onso oba ye no ye west eni bre mahama ye ni bre fuama mahama oye ni brief when nti no nim say after 4 years no onti me baby ba still o se obeba because obewia no wa kum no wa se Ghana no wakọ no ase Ghana no akọ na 2028 mesre se we ye MPP ni we ye Ghana ni me say me ma ade ensan wo ade enchi wo kete no so set alarm set 12 o'clock okra sorry na ye wuniama ewiem betete no wawie no akoto aba na ne ekọ ne de daachi bie ni wo ma Ghana sani ankrofo we wie sika left and right no ho na mo wa say nu gaja say NDC for omo koto eyi na omo eye mo wanwa ye ni ha na mo wi ni aba omo ko wi a feeding eyi school feeding for nuane ye ni ha na onye kromfo a obewa go yesa meme ameti he ya ma anko obi no it means say meme ni nje kro no ho omo ya kromfo na omo pe lines omo de bebo kro no unse NDC ba kro no koso okro mu ha pa se mo behwa nka internet fraudsters Chris Wado ne na busuafo se nanado asay omadwuma because NDC for me ma kwan mo wabokro no ye ba ma kwan enti yesi ya ma mo nko mo nti ase apo na da ho mo nko hye no yesi mo nko bakro no ye hia ma ne ya bom na mutuo na mo da fo ma akwa ase ampafo agimifo ekua mo bi ntu aso na niama
S baby medawase me pa show obi request ya na merci mo amaka oli dade oli konson oli dade okay chief me pa show yengo oli we ready ano aba chief beba chomote me kasa
are quick to look down and go for the easy pickings in their conversation. This is where we have got into as a country, easy pickings. For la Côte d'Ivoire, the cost of cocoa, you see, in that context of that conversation, I asked extensively, PURC sent statement out, January 2026, that they are going to increase the price of electricity by 10%, almost 10%, to be exact, 9.8%. Quickly, and as I said, Mbetina Ghana Kakra around 2025 November, and I took note of something. I took note of the kilowatt per hour. They have a remote that they use to recharge the meters. Now, if you dial 013, it's going to give you the kilowatt per hour that you use, okay? Like that ECG has stamped for your meter. It was 1.6 kilowatts per hour. That was the number. Now, 3 months or 4 months down the line, I come back to the US and I called my mom. Kindly go to my apartment, take the remote, because the ECG guys, the PRC guys have increased it by almost 9.8%. So check what is the current situation with the kilowatt per hour. She dialed the 013, and ladies and gentlemen, what came up was 2.1 kilowatt per hour. Now, my little understanding of mathematics is saying that if you are talking about 1.6 kilowatts per hour, which was the case around November, December, a 10% increase should only result to an addition of 0.16. If you add a 0.16 to the 1.6, we are looking at nothing more than, for example, maybe 1.7 or 1.76 thereabout. But ladies and gentlemen, it was 0.1. That represented more than 30% increase. So PURC is telling you that I'm going to increase it by 10%. But when you go and check according to the kilowatt per hour, it's now around what? It's now around 30%. And then some few days later, PURC now issues another statement saying that they are going to reduce electricity by 5% or so. You see the criminality here. So you see, I will communicate 10%, balloon it to 30%. Then when people complain, I come back and tell you that I'm going to reduce it by 5%. That is 25% net increase. You see the politicians, how criminal they are. These are the people you vote for. Armed robbers in suit, vampires at night. When you see them at day, they are wearing white robes as if they are the most cleanest, and these are the most dirtiest people you can ever meet. They have no conscience. When they tell you that we are exporting Ghanaians to go and work in the Middle East, how many of their children, their cousins, their nieces are part of those people? How many? When they say free senior high school, I'm not here to degrade them, but if we don't implement a policy where government officials are forced to be part of our system and continue to isolate themselves from the misgovernance and the bad systems they are giving us, there's no way this country will develop. So if you're a minister of state, your kids should attend public schools. You can write it. I mean, you can document it. Who a minister for Ghana International School? What about them? David Fanoko Kukuleku LA primary school. Until we get to that level, yeah, the school feeding program will never get better. They'll be feeding children with maggot food. If a minister knows that my kids are going to a public school and they're going to eat the food that will be served, they will make sure that the right things are done. If they are accessing the same hospital that the average Ghanaian does, they are not going to sleep at the Bank of Ghana hospital or University of Ghana hospital. No, they won't go there. Let them go to Chebi government school. They should go to Chebi government hospital and go and access healthcare over there. Until we do that, we are lying to ourselves. Listen, before I end my submission, something is going on in Ghana that we are not paying attention to, and I'll put this on record.